y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. Happy New Year's Eve, y'all. I hope you had a great year and you know you rocking and rolling for the new year. My tradition has become sharing my top 5 recipes from the year because you know I make a lot of videos. And just in case you missed something, I wanted to share with you my top 5 favorite videos from this year. So if you want to see the top 5 things, in my opinion, that I made this year, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to never miss any of my videos. And I will link the videos throughout the video and put them in the description box so you can click on it. But like, don't be fooled, like everything I make is fire. So let's get into it. Okay, so my favorite video this year, it was so hard to do. I'm not trying to be like, oh my God, I make everything amazing. I'm just saying like, I don't know, I feel like I did a good job. But my favorite thing I made this year was Hamburger Helper. I know that's so American of me, but it's my favorite because 1, it's delicious, 2, it's nostalgic. Like it tastes like childhood, you know? And 3, I make it so often. Like ever since that video, I've made it at least like 4 or 5 times. Like it's the perfect like little Sunday situation. And like, you know me, if you've been rocking with me for a minute, I don't love leftovers. But sometimes when I get super busy, like I need something quick when I get home. And that, it just heats up well. Like it's just my favorite. If you haven't tried it, try it. Like a good old Hamburger Helper, period. Okay, my second favorite thing I made this year is Cremas. I made it a couple weeks ago, last week. And it was so good. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with Haitian food. I'm not Haitian, they just be cooking, okay? And I was told to make this last year. Someone commented, make Cremas. Thank you so much. It was so good. I'm thinking about it right now. It's a Christmas drink. I don't know, I might make it top of the year, you know, when I get back to Memphis, or I'll make it at Easter, girl, I don't know, but it was so good. Like, shout out to the Haitians, as always. Okay, my third favorite thing I made this year is ma la ma. Now, if you know me, you know I want to be a hummus. Like hummus is so good, and like with like the, you know, spicy vegan beef on top, like it just went so well. I made it several times after that. I just love a dipping situation, you know what I mean? Like you take your pita, you got your ma la ma, and you just dip. Baby, stop. I need to make that. It's been a couple months since I made that, but it's so good. Like if you haven't tried that, especially like if you don't like hummus, just give it a try. Every time I just met somebody who don't like hummus. I was like, hummus? What else, you don't like babies? Okay, my fourth one are meat pies. Now, I will say, I've always been curious about Nigerian meat pies because the Nigerians love telling people how good they are. They don't got nothing on Jamaican patties. And you know, when I have that, when I do that, all right, Jamaican patties go, period. But why compare? They were really good. I made a bunch of them and like put them in my freezer, and I've been meaning to like do that again and put them in my freezer. Like they are so freaking good. Like shout out to the Nigerians. Like it was just great. It was comforting. It was really, really nice. It's great with a cup of tea. I mean, I put everything with a cup of tea, but it was just very, very nice, okay? And I think the vegan version did pretty well. I've been wanting to do a, you know, Nigerians try vegan Nigerian food. I'm working on that, but until then, you try this. Okay, my fifth one is pollo a la brasa. I made this months ago, but it was just so good. It was so simple. And like the little dipping sauce I made with it, like it just worked so well. And I'm so excited because I got a bunch of them like vegan chicken things from the Asian market here in Chicago. So like I'm finna make that. That's like on the top of my list to make when I go back home. And you know, I love me a Peruvian moment. And this was very good. So you definitely have to make it. I feel like it would do well with tofu. I think it would work well with mushrooms. Just try it. Just try it. Anyway, let me know what your favorite things that you saw this year. And always let me know what you want me to make next year. I'm always open to suggestions. Girl, I'll be trying to do 2 videos a week. I mean, it's the holidays, so but normally 2 videos a week. So you know, I need ideas sometimes. So let me know. All the videos I talked about today are linked in the description box. But while you're here, you might as well, you know, peruse. I got mad videos, like I said. Like I don't know the number, but it's mad videos. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to don't miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos. You know somebody having enough videos. Thank you for rocking with me. We've been on this jump for like 3 years, about to be 4 years, period. Making stuff vegan. Vegans ain't missing out on nothing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the new year. Bye, y'all.